How to download songs on Spotify to your files. Is it possible? Well, hello everybody, welcome back into the channel. And this video today, let me go and show you the steps if and how you can download songs on Spotify to your files on your device. Well, if you open up Spotify, you'll be able to download the songs only if you have the premium version available, right? So if you have the premium, you'll be able to download the songs that you'll get 3 dots and you'll be able to find the downloads tab right here. However, if you do not have the premium, you can see here download option for this here. Want to download your liked songs, you need premium. So unfortunately you need premium, and even then you'll only be able to save it offline, like you save the videos, you download the YouTube videos for offline viewing. Similarly, you can download the music here on Spotify for offline listening if you have premium. However, they won't be added to files. Well, there is no indirect feature to do that. There are some third-party apps and websites that I'll not recommend it to you to use because it may put your account on risk and even your device at risk for getting banned. So hope this video was helpful. Do like and subscribe.